What is your name and where are you from?
My name is Holly During, and I'm from Sugar Land, Texas.
How did you originally hear about us?
I originally heard about you through my mother.
What services does our company provide to you?
Services provided to me by your company are some exercises, some e-stem, some deep tissue work, some ultrasound, and some adjustment.
What did you like most about working with our company?
What I like most about this company is the personal care I receive. I feel like I am well taken care of. They're very knowledgeable and very professional in all that they do.
What makes our company different from other companies like us?
What makes this company different, I feel like, is this company takes a personal interest in their patients, and I feel like I'm not just a number. I'm a friend, as well as getting very good care from them.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how happy are you with our work and why?
On a scale of 1 to 10, I would say they're a 10 because of the way I feel after my appointments and the personal care that I get from the staff.
Would you recommend our company to a friend or family member?
I would definitely recommend this company to a friend in my family's.